Hey guys, my name is Billy Fields here at Cougar Chemical, and today I want to show you the Cougar Kodiak K12. This is a neat little 20-inch machine, super easy to use. This one's actually in our rental fleet. It's been rented a few times. You can see our rental tag here. The reason I want to show you the rental is for two reasons. One, if people don't rent their equipment, don't buy from them. If they're not renting, they're not able to fix it, they're not able to repair it, they're not able to keep it looking good and maintain it, because that's what's got to be done at your facility. Floor scrubber has really two main purposes. One, it wants to put water down and scrub, and the other thing is it's got to pick the dirty water up and not leave a mess. This machine does a really great job at that. Again, 20-inch. So from a functionality standpoint, you can see you've got the controls back here. You got an hour meter, you got a battery meter, you got a vac, you got solution, you got brushes. Here you got solution control, it's blue. Here you've got your vacuum, squeegee, up and down. In the front, we've got a 20-inch. This is a little poly brush. It's got a wear indicator right here, so when your brushes get down to that wear indicator or close, you need to replace that. It's got a large motor on here, 24 volts, a 24-volt system. Really super easy access right here. You can open this up. These are your AGM maintenance-free batteries. You can see our charging system here. It's got its own cord on it. Got a nice little cord holder. Here you can see a little better view of the squeegee. So this hose comes off, so it's really easy to clean out. It comes up through here, so you can see I can just pop that off easily and clean it out. Again, maintenance is a super important feature. Once I turn the key switch on, I've got my brushes on. Again, it's got an actuator. If you see that coming up and down, versus just using the weight of the motor. So I've got nice even pressure throughout the life of the brush. I can turn my solution on right here. Nice feature, this machine has a solenoid, so I don't have water just running out, even though I've got this all the way on until I pull the trigger. And then I've got control, so I can go less or more water. And then I can turn my vacuum on here. So I'm just gonna show you, without the squeegee down, how easy the operation of this thing is. It's a pad assist machine, but you can see easily with one hand, the machine pulls itself. Got a nice scrub pattern. I can scrub forward or backward. And then if I want to put my squeegee down, I can put my squeegee down, turn my vacuum on. And with that larger squeegee design, you can see how easy it is to suck up all that water. It's got a green trigger actuator right here. I can use this side, or I can pull this side to use it. Makes it really nice when you're turning to be able to turn this direction and go down and back. It also has a control here. If you want it to pull a little harder, you can tighten this up and it takes the brush, and that's what allows you to pull. So that's an adjustment as your brush wears, the amount of pull that you get. So if you want it to pull a little more or a little less, depending on your application, you can tighten that up. Where this hose was, I've got a really cool boot to keep everything from splashing over to this side, so everything comes in and down nice and easy. And again, that comes off really easy to clean out. Come on, and I'm gonna show you another neat trick. Always lift this, it's a long hose, so always lift this above this. Let me show you why. Down below, I get water coming out. Up above, I don't. As soon as I get to the level of the water, it's gonna come out. So if I open it here, I keep the water off of me, and you can see even with just running for a little bit there, the dirty water coming out. What you want to do is you want to pop this off, open your tank, strap, lean it to the side a little bit, and everything will go to that corner if you see where this hose comes out, and then I can rinse that out, spray a little smell good in there. Once I do that, I just take this and lean it to the side like that. That lets it air dry, keeps the smell down. Super easy, super efficient. Kodiak K12, Cougar Chemical. Remember, it's not clean unless it's Cougar clean.